Don't know when this Pepsi pop machine was made, meaning the year. It probably was made before I was born, but if serves me correctly, this say 15 cent on here. Deposit, quarter, or combination of dime and nickels. Change, return below. I don't know what all did they serve, but this looks like an antique right here. This boy is an antique right here. Look at it. Then on the side right here, if you go closer to it, it say have a Pepsi. Let's say have a Pepsi. This boy is an antique right here. Wow. Okay. Well, if anybody ever seen this type of Pepsi machine, please comment and let me know what y'all think. And what was your experience and when using this machine?